Hi friends, I want to tell you that I am very happy because I just received my Honeywell desk lamp. This is the HWT H01W model. It's a very nice lamp as you can see in this drawing, but let's open it. It's also very nice because it has an extra USB port to charge accessories you're gonna see. Okay, let's unpack it. Okay, this is the actual lamp. Perfect. These are the basic instructions. Okay. It's really, really nice. Let me, okay. Okay, now I know how to do it, okay? As you can see, the actual light, you can move it around wherever you need it. And this is the base of the lamp, where you will turn it on and off, the light strength or dimmable, and a USB-C A and a USB-C ports to charge accessories. Let me show you, okay? This is the lamp. As you can see, it's a really nice white one. This is the port for the charger. The charger also, it's really nice. It's kind of the same style as the lamp. Okay, so excited. Perfect. Let me try it out here. I'm in my office right now. Okay, we have a, okay, perfect. So, here it is. Okay, you see the light there? And you are able to dim it, okay? You see? Let me show you. I hope you can. Okay, more dim, more strength, and less, okay? And another thing, I have this USB-C port. I'm going to be able to charge my iWatch here. As you can see, it's charging. And I have a USB-C port also, a USB-C A port. And I'm going to use it to charge my hearing aids or whatever you need to charge at night. So you can have less chargers, less accessories in your bedside table or in your office like this. And you will have your accessories charging and you will have your beautiful lamp giving you the light that you need. Bright light or more soft light. Let me show you. I'm going to turn off my lights. Okay, so now you can see there's no light and there's my lamp working. I'm going to put it, this is the full strength, the full dim. Let's turn it down for a more soft light, like the one you would like to have at night maybe. Not to read, maybe just to do the last things you do when you're going to sleep. And if for any reason you need more light to read or do some task in your bedroom or in your office, you can turn it up. Also, remember, you can move it around to have light in other places or just this way, okay? So this is it. Honeywell HWT H01W desk lamp. Very beautiful lamp with a dimmable light and two extra USB ports, a USB-A and a USB-C port to charge different accessories. Thank you.